Hello once again, Patrick here. It's a nice day outside, so of course I'm inside, doing something really exciting with my life, such as cramming Android down my throat. And boy, has it been fun. Today, well, let's get this out of the way. Still working with Ladybug. There's already been one patch. So I got that patched up. We're not working off of utility, off a tutorial today, because I decided that we couldn't find a tutorial on this other template. So often when people do their tutorials, everybody does it in empty view, and there's a lot of other options, a lot of other new project templates than empty view. I don't know what they all are. Apparently some come with more boilerplate than others. So what I decided to do today was try out a brand new one. And this one's going to be this right here. Navigation drawer views activity, as opposed to empty views. Of course, other views that we may never use in our lifetimes. Responsive views. No idea. Game activity. Never been a gamer. C++. It sends shudders down my spine. I tried this one out. Gemini API Starter. And after pasting in an API that I had to get from Google, all it did was really show me a couple of pictures of cupcakes and cookies. So I really don't understand how to go about using that one. Empty view, empty activity. Well, how is that different from empty view's activity? I don't know. Is there more code here than in here? And no activity, I have no idea what that means. But today, we're working with navigation drawer. We're gonna, everybody loves the navigation drawer. Let's see if we can find it here. This is the new project. It's already been gradled up and ready to dish out for us here. Text slideshow. Fragment slideshow. So there's a fragment. Let me find out. Nav header main. App bar main. There's so many extra XML files under here, it's gonna get easy to get lost. And it also comes with an upper something and a floating action button. This floating action button, right now, it does nothing really. App bar layout. Not quite sure what that's for either, but here we got that up there. I'm not going to start moving it around yet because I'm still looking for, well, there's activity main. We bring this front page up slowly. So that's what it'll look like. It'll have a home. This is the drawer that comes out from the side. And the drawer has a couple of navigational links on it, which I don't need. I don't want. I've been trying to change. So one of the things I've been trying to change is, for example, a fragment gallery. Here's a whole fragment for the gallery. Gallery of what? Gallery of pictures, one assumes. Taking its time. It's only got a text view in it. And it's not even showing up, the text view. Text view, text size, texty text, text gallery, text, there's no actual text. Text alignment, there's no actual text going in there yet. Slideshow is going to be about the same. I see menu, slideshow, fragment slideshow. So many different, yeah, if it wasn't confusing before, it's going to start getting that way really soon. I think by September or December I should have this figured out. Don't take me at my word. Fragment slideshow. Where you at? Fragment slideshow. Oh, that's this one. Fragment home. It's just going to be blank. It's just going to be blank. Yeah. But now if we take these 4 pages, activity main, app bar main, content main, where was it that I saw? Mobile navigation? .html. Hi, HTML! It's a blast from the past. Sorry. That's just because my brain is broken. Because I'm 62 years old and I have no idea what I'm doing here. Especially now. We have the 3 pages going on. Navigation home, navigation gallery, and navigation or nav slideshow. We do have we don't have those exact. But if we come here to, let's say, gallery, where's gallery? Fragment gallery. And put in a button. Yeah. Put in an image. Can we put an image in? Open up our Exploder. Go to where your pictures are. Just find a picture. Just find a picture. Alex Gray. This guy here I'll put in. I didn't have to double click him. I needed to single right click and go to copy. And then close that out. Then go to drawable, do right click and paste. And not sure if it likes capital letters. So I'll uncap that first one. And we'll put an image view in here. And we'll select what we just tossed in the bucket. Let's see, there we go. Let's try and constrain this a little bit. Constrain. 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 Constrained. 48. Let's see here. Constrain and constrain. Select both with a click and a control click, and try and pack them horizontally. Try and pack them. Horizontal centers. Try and pack them. Come on. What have I done? I've just totally... Clear constraints. Clear constraints. Where'd you go? Upper right hand corner. Upper left hand corner. Alright, leaving them there. This is Fragment Gallery. Let's see if we can run this before we get too far ahead of ourselves. It's building its Gradle. I'm taking a drink. Gradle, Gradle. Build a Gradle. Taking its time. Doing something. Did something. Launching. Launching on the devices. That was the old one. This is home fragment, okay? So, we get a little hamburger. With this, we get a little stack of, click on the, it'll say settings. And if you go into the, it's going to be something like, settings.xml. Maybe this app bar. But what we're more interested in right now is this hamburger that we click. Click. And there comes the drawer. Pops out. Slideshow. This is a slideshow fragment. Slideshow. Gallery. Yeah, that's right. It was gallery. Haha. Silly me. So now, on my phone, I have a little navigation thing here. Oh, and this guy here, header. Where's the main drawer? Navigational header main. This guy right here, we can give him the boot if we want by going to drawable, right click, new, vector as set, click on clip art. Takes its time. Takes its time. Because there's a lot of them. There must be thousands of them. The scroll bar is so tiny. Here's the scroll bar for this. It's so tiny. Let's just use this one right here. It seems not inappropriate. Boinky doink. I don't know what else we can do with it, but finish. That should change. How did I change that before? Gallery, home, slideshow, nav header, main. Or is it main? Okay, main is where you can add in extra settings. Like so. But I am still looking for menu, navigation, mobile navigation. Where did you go, Android Studio? That was the navigation header right here. Navigation header. That's what it calls for. Right here, under text, you can put the name of your project or your name. I'm going to put my name, Patrick D. Brum. And lower down in the text view, I'm going to give it my email address, patrickdbrum@gmail.com. I have an extra quote in there. I should go green. Why? How did I pick up a @ sign? Huh. Strange. Oh, we got my name. We got my email ID. We didn't get him changed yet. Didn't we walk through? drawable, new. I got jetpack in there finally. I don't know how. No, I do. I had to ask Gemini. New vector asset. Why not? Try it again. Try it again. Baseline all inclusive. It's right there. But I want it to be right there. No, okay. Let's back up. Try drawable. Instead of a new vector, new image. Image is pick one. Pick a clip art. Pick the clip art. Pick the clip art named what? Clip art named what? All inclusive. Oinky doinky. Color background. Background color. Green. Purple. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Don't ever forget 512 by 512 if you want to really do it the right way. Finish. Now look at that. It's my icon. It's not just a vector image. It's the actual icon. Now let's run this thing. Run. I could have built and rebuilt it once or twice. But it's going really fast. First fragment had a bunch of lorem ipsum on it. There's the home page. We had 3 settings packed in there now. And our drawer pops out. And inside of gallery, we have a button that does nothing, and this guy, who I call a he. And we can press it again, and there's our brand new custom-made icon. That is what you'll be pressing on to bring this back up later in life. Your name, your address, your business name, whatever you want to put here. So this is not difficult at all. The weirdest part of this one was where are we here? The mobile navigation. This stuff here. I haven't quite like you can hook it up like that. But only on the one side, the right side. I don't understand. I don't. Didn't take. There, it's hooked. So now I really don't know what that signifies. If that's a sequence, nav home action, nav home to nav gallery. So there's some kind of navigation action that happens somehow or another. Beats me. Anyway, that's navigation drawer. That's pretty fun. Hope you all liked that. I had a good time playing around in there. And if you want to see more of that kind of stuff, like and subscribe. Come back for more. I've got some earlier stuff. And I'll have more stuff. So by the time I get all this stuff up here, I'll be an Android Studio Pro. And you could ask me anything. And I would probably say, I made a video about that, but I don't remember anything about it. So good luck to you.